Hi there and welcome to another episode of Ask VSA. My name is Peter Vox and I'm the Director and Principal Teacher at Vox Singing Academy, Melbourne, which was established in 1993. If we could help you or someone that you know with the singing, we'd be absolutely honoured. Check out the links below for more info. Lessons here in Melbourne, numerous studios. We give online lessons worldwide, male and female teachers. If face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course, also by Vox Singing Academy. Like this channel, click subscribe, purchase a membership, give us a thumbs up. If you want to comment, put a comment in the comments. Excuse me, I read all the comments. If you have a question, please put it in the comments. And if it's a good question, I may do a video on Ask VSA. Without any further ado, let's get stuck into the next question here. It's not so much a question. I'm going to give you the top 6 points to make it as a singer in the music industry, doing original music, meaning writing your own original songs in the music industry. If you follow these 6 points, you are going to be successful, okay? So let's get stuck into the number 1 point to be successful in the music industry, writing original songs, so performing your own songs. Number 1, you've got to love what you're doing, okay? So if you're just singing or you're writing songs because you see people making a lot of money, or you've gone to a concert and all of a sudden you're inspired to do it, it's probably the wrong reason. You've got to really love the process. You've got to love songwriting, being by yourself, playing guitar, playing piano, writing on a computer, whatever it might be. You've got to actually enjoy the process of being artistically creative. So if you are not, don't do it. Okay, straight up, save your time, save the heartbreak, but you've got to enjoy doing it. So even if you're not successful at it and you enjoy doing it, do it. It's like painting. If you enjoy painting or drawing, do it. Doesn't mean you're going to sell $1 million paintings or make a living at it, but if you thoroughly enjoy it, do it. Okay. Number 2, well, it's not number 2 actually. Let's still go back to number 1. Make sure that you're doing a genre of music that you really love. Okay. Just don't go and do hardcore or R&B just because everyone else is doing it and you see a lot of people being successful and making money out of it and you see the bling or whatever it is. Write a genre that you like, okay, and write in the genre that you like, and write songs that you would like to hear. That's what you really want to do, that bring you joy. If you do that, then other people are going to also enjoy it as well too. That's point 1. Point 2, you got to work your friggin' backside off. And that's all it is. And that's with anything. You want to be successful in anything in life, you have to put in the hard work. And yeah, it's 7 days. Do you know what I mean? I know guitarists, songwriters, and you'll see them. You go over to their house and they're playing guitar. They're watching a movie and they're playing guitar. They're doodling around. They're doing it because they love it. Okay, so same thing. You got to enjoy the process. You got to enjoy the creative process, and you've got to put in the hours, put in the work. There's a saying, I don't know who it's by. I think it was maybe Henry Ford or Einstein or one of those there, saying you've got to do something for 10,000 hours to become a master. So there it is. So you got to put in the work to be successful in the music industry. You have to work hard, and it's the same with Vox Singing Academy in Melbourne. I've been doing it for 30 years. I've seen thousands of other singing teachers and music schools go broke in the time that I've been teaching, and it takes hard work and dedication to stay at the top and to be successful in it and to make a living out of it. So that's it. You got to work super hard. Number 3, you got to believe in yourself. You got to believe in yourself, because there's going to be a lot of people who are going to say, hey, you shouldn't do that. Parents, and normally the people that are closest to you, your girlfriend, parents, friends, man, what are you doing that for? You're not going to make money out of that, or you're not going to be successful at that, or whatever it is. But don't believe the naysayers. Believe in yourself, okay? And if you enjoy doing it, it's going to show And those people that are naysayers, you might want to try to get rid of them. I know there's some of them might be your family, you can't get rid of them, but try to get people around you that are going to be fuel for you, okay? They want to be another log. If there's a log that's burning on the fire, you put another log next to it, both will burn as strong. So make sure you're surrounding yourself with really good, positive people that believe in you and your mission. And if not, get rid of the rest. But you've got to believe in yourself before anything else. You've got to believe in what you're doing, and you've got to enjoy it. 4. This is a friggin' important one. This is the most important one, really, what I'm about to tell you here. You've got to write great melodies. What's a melody? I'm going to sing the song. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Okay, so that's the song. This is the melody. Na, 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 na. That's a melody. You write a great melody, it will get stuck in people's heads. That's why sometimes you say, I can't get this song out of my head. Like you'll hear it, you'll wake up to it in the morning, and why have I got this song in my head the whole day? It's done its job. It's called a hook, and it's hooked you in. It's got you in, and hopefully you'll go out and download the song or listen to it or buy it or whatever it is, and maybe become a fan of the person, go to their concert. And that's how people make money, okay, is that exact way that I've just said them. They hear your song, they like it, they buy the whole album, they buy t-shirts, they come to your shows. That's how you make coin. But you've got to write great melodies. Now, again, with Let It Be, before the lyrics were put on top of it, the melody was created by Paul McCartney. So he wrote, na, 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 and then he put the lyrics over the top of it, and the rest is history. Again, at Vox Singing Academy, we give all of our students a lot of movement and melody creation scales so that you can move around, because all you do when you sing is you go from one note to the next. And creating the best, catchiest melody is going to make you successful in this industry. This is the be all and end all. All these guys that have got record contracts behind me that are on my walls here, that's what they've done. They've written better melodies and better songs than anyone else. And if you're not successful, it's because that could be one of the big reasons. The other one is number 6 that I'm going to go over, but that is probably the number one reason why you're not successful. Your songs just aren't good enough, and they're not catchy enough, and the melodies aren't good enough. Let's move to point number 5. Okay, you've got to have a good voice to a great voice to pull off writing great melodies. You see, any of the artists, the ones that are really successful, Pink, she has big jumps in her melodies. Beyonce, Bruno Mars. Okay, so they've got the chops, they've got the voice to pull off these great, big, catchy melodies. So having a good voice that's particularly can move around and jump to different notes is very important. One of the basic scales we give all of our students is a jumping scale. I don't know why my piano is not working here, because I think I've unplugged it. But we give a jumping scale, which is 1 3 1 5 1 8 1, which is a really common jumping scale, and so they get your voice going, and this creates melodies. Okay, it's nearly very similar to the Green Day song, When I Come Around. I heard you crying loud all the way across town. You've been searching for that someone, and it's me out on the prowl. Why you sit around feeling sorry for yourself? So you can see the melodies there. That was their first big hit, and that was really the hit there, because the chorus is not much melody in it. The chorus is a rhyme. No time to search the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around. It's got an okay melody, but it's more so a rhyme. The big melody is in the verses. So you've got to have a good voice to a great voice to pull off and write better melodies. Okay, the bigger range you've got, the better as well too. That's why most people that come into Vox Singing Academy want a larger range. Okay, they want to expand their range. Okay. Last one. This is really important. I mentioned it in point 4. You've got to put your stuff out there. It's no good writing all these songs and not putting it out there. So some social media platforms that you've got to put your music out on is you've got to have a Facebook page. You've got to have a SoundCloud page. You've got to have a website. You can make one for free on Wix. Don't look at me going, oh, website. It's real easy. You'll do it in a couple of hours. And they even have ones that you can do for artists that you can load your stuff on SoundCloud and stuff like that. The most friggin' important one is YouTube. Please have a YouTube channel, for God's sake. That's how a lot of people get discovered. They put their stuff on YouTube. And AR guys are artists and repertoire people that are for record companies or for big artists. They troll through YouTube and see new artists to see if they've got the chops, if they released a great song, if they should sign them. Okay, Justin Bieber got signed that way. I think he was. Don't quote me. I think he was in a singing competition. And he posted it up on YouTube, and the rest is history. I think Usher, whoever signed him, seen it, and I read a story that that's how he got signed. Maybe I'm wrong. If anyone knows, let me know. But you got to put your stuff out there. Then you've also got to go out and play. Play around your local area, okay? If you can play at the local wine bar, pub, anywhere. Play anywhere you possibly can. The county fair, the show, assembly. Play wherever you can, because you never know who's going to see you and never know who's going to hear you. So play wherever you possibly can, supporting whoever you possibly can. But the main thing is you got to get it out on social media. Sorry, you also need it on all the big players. Put it on Spotify, iTunes, put it on all these other platforms that you can stream music on, particularly Spotify, so that people can find you where your music is. That is it, guys. That is the socks. That is the top 6 points. If you want to become successful in the music industry, writing original material and songs. So I'm going to reiterate those again. 1, got to love what you're doing and the genre that you're doing. 2, that was 3. 2, got to work your friggin' backside off. If you're not going to put the work in, you're not going to be successful, okay? Number 3, got to believe in yourself, because there's going to be a lot of naysayers. A lot of people are going to put you down. A lot of people are going to say that song was crap. Don't believe what they're saying. Believe in yourself. Keep on doing it. Number 4, got to write great melodies. Melodies are the hooks that get stuck in people's heads. That's going to make you successful. Number 5, you got to have a good to very good voice to pull off great melodies and to sing great melodies. Number 6, you got to put your stuff out there wherever you can. Put it out there and perform wherever you can. Hope that this has helped you out. I'm sure that it has. I don't know why I'm going and doing these silly falsetto things. I'm going to stop doing them. I'm sure that it has. If it has, click like, click subscribe, maybe purchase a membership. More importantly, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Please check out the links below for more info. We give singing lessons here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia, at numerous studios with male and female teachers. We also give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. And if face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. There's a falsetto again. I'm annoying myself. Most importantly, click like and subscribe. Most importantly, be good to each other. Live each day as if it's your last. Live with passion. Enjoy your singing. And until the next video, peace and much love. Bye-bye.